So can you tell me more about the drug? I understand it's called dostarlimab, and why you think it worked.
So it's an immunotherapy, and it works by unlocking the body's natural immune system to fight cancer.
It's exciting to wake up in the morning and to hear the news that a cancer was totally cured in a patient. Hi there, and welcome to your Guide to Health, a production of catchmentofresources.com. It was wonderful news this morning when I woke up on this side of the world and realized that there were tests carried out on patients, and several of these patients, in fact all of these patients, were cured of this cancer, and there was no trace of any of the tissue. This is like a possible cure for cancer, and let's be more specific, it's a possible cure for rectal cancer. So over a period of 6 months, 14 patients were treated with this drug, as stated in the news reports from CNN. And it's important to note here that not all types of cancers were cured in this particular test case, but rectal cancer. Also, this is still in its testing stage, as it was a test conducted over a period of 6 months and for only a handful of 14 patients. So there needs to be more study over a longer duration to show the effectiveness of this drug. According to the National Cancer Institute, rectal cancer is the formation of malignant cells in the tissues of the rectum. There are several cancers that could develop in various organs of the body, and it will spread to other areas according to available literature. So rectal cancer is also related to colon cancer, as you can see from this schematic, because there is an interconnection in the intestine between the colon and the rectum. For diagnosing cancers of this nature, there is usually a colonoscopy that is carried out, and it usually checks for both rectal and colon cancer. The instrument and how it operates, a brief schematic has been shown on the screen here. All of this information is still based on the cancer.gov, as provided by the National Cancer Institute. Is also available online, so you can also search it and get the information for yourself to review. Basically, there are several cancer treatments in general for all types of cancer. If you look at your screen here, you can see up to about 10 types, but I'll be highlighting here 4. You see here chemotherapy, you have radiation therapy, you have immunotherapy, and you have surgery. Reading through immunotherapy, you'll see here immunotherapy is a type of cancer treatment that helps your immune system fight cancer. So if you listen to that video report again, it talks about how the drug is used to enable the immune system fight the cancer. So if we are going to categorize that drug to any of these cancer treatment types, it's most likely going to fall under immunotherapy, which is about boosting the immune system. So according to medlineplus.gov, there are basically 3 top cancer treatment approaches, one of which is surgery, chemotherapy, and the last is radiation. So of these 3 methods of curing cancer, most of them have to do with attacking the cells of this cancer, rather than as a result of the system fighting the ailment. When it comes to immunotherapy, it's more of having to boost the immune system to help fight these cancer cells. There's a video I've done online, which I've also linked here, about the various diets that can be used to boost the immune system to fight against cancer. That video has more details about various other diets that can treat patients for various kinds of ailments. We also have in society people who have recovered from cancer through various means having to do with diet, rest, and exercise. So it was a nice thing to share this news with you about the curing of rectal cancer. So until next time, your Guide to Health, a regimen for you and yours.